So we had a few dead mice in the garage, and then I came outside and saw that there were holes chewed through our seal. So we're gonna work on that and fix that today. The best thing I seemed to be able to find in the hardware store was this aluminum flashing, and it has white on the inside, so we'll put that on the outside, so hopefully it matches all right. We needed to make sure the sheet was about the same width as the sideboard plus plastic weather stripping that had been chewed. It also needed to be tall enough that the mice wouldn't be able to chew above it. Then we gently bent the middle using a vise, trying to get about the same angle as the chewed weather stripping. The shirt is to protect the white paint on the aluminum. Of course, it only gets nailed into the sideboard. I actually made this video a little less than a year ago, and here are the strips now. No evidence of any changes.